How much? 5, 15, 20.
5, 10, 15.
E hiko e tahi ana ngā kaimahi o te Whakaruruhau Waikato Women's Refuge ke ki te whāinga ko tahi rauhikoi mo te marama o Hongongoi.
We will walk because our wahine and our rangatahi are still walking in fear alone. We will walk while our whānau are trying to rebuild up their lives, and we will continue to walk as our system fails us and the community jumps in and supports them.
He kaupapa pena pūtea tēnei nā te whakakore ngā te kāwanatanga I te haurua o te kotahi miliona tāra ki te whakaruruhau. Hei tā Jada Albert te pōtiki o te whare e 8 miliona tāra ka whakapaua ia tau hei whakahaere ngā mahi.
We can't be waiting anymore. This government isn't giving us money.
Get your whānau, just get up and go for a walk. When I first found out about this kaupapa and thought, 100 k's, what? Then someone broke it down for me, so it was approximately 3.5 k's a day. If you did it like that, I was like, oh yeah. And then when I actually did it, it was just 2 k's really a day.
Ka tahi anō Amelina hua ki eke ki tōna huritau rima te kau. Hei tāna, I roto I tēnei tau, e hia ana ia ki te whakatutuki he wero ia te marama.
My cousin who works at Te Whakaruruhau said, well, what about July? Do this. I was like, yeah, I'm all for that. So that was the first reason. The second reason was I live by a framework that I developed, and it's pretty simple. It's just all about order, always seeking order.
It's probably in the 40 years that I've worked in this area, I've never known it to be as difficult as it is now. This government has just made it so much more harder, and there's not a lot of supports out there for the people. As many as the groups throughout the country are, I mean, they can't keep up with a lot of the need throughout.
Hei tārua hine Albert, he hia nui tōna ke whakahaere hia he kaupapa pēnei ia te marama. Engari e mōhio ana ki ngā taumahatanga e pīkau ria ana e te hapori whānui.
You know, if we got 100,000 K for the year, that can feed over 300 to 400 families in that time for every day. And I know that because over COVID, that's how many people we fed.
It's an opportunity to do something positive for the community by way of walking. Pretty simple, free, easy. In turn, putting it out there that you're supporting a kaupapa that obviously saves lives.
When my nannies are constantly thinking this as a little America, in America, they're trying to wipe out refuges. So soon they're going to look at probably wiping us out. And I think it's happening already.
Ko neke atu I te 3 miliona ngā hikoi ko hikoi tia. He 8 mano tāra ko pena hia. Hei āwhina ngā whānau, huri noa I a Waikato. Te kawa Paora, Aukaha.